Have you ever wondered how a single piece of brake pad's backing plate comes to life? Well, today we're taking you behind the scenes of our state-of-the-art manufacturing process. To craft just one of these crucial components, a multitude of precise procedures must be executed flawlessly. It all kicks off with blanking, where the raw material is cut to the initial shape. This is followed by side edge pressing, giving the plate its distinct and accurate contours. Then comes the hole punching and pin punching stages, creating openings that are vital for the proper functioning of the brake system. Fine blanking, steel marking, and deburring ensure that every surface is smooth and the markings are clear, guaranteeing quality and traceability. And for specific models, we even perform the delicate task of drilling holes for caliper springs. Our production floor is equipped with an arsenal of advanced machinery. The laser cutting machine, punching machine, and press machine work in harmony to transform raw materials into finished backing plates. But we don't stop there. By integrating automatic manipulators, we've elevated our process to a fully automated production line. These robotic arms tirelessly and precisely move components from one workstation to another, reducing human error and skyrocketing efficiency. Now, let's talk about the heart of our traditional production method, punch molds. When we rely on punching machines and press machines, these molds are indispensable. For every unique model of backing plate, a dedicated set of molds must be developed to carry out all the aforementioned procedures. It's a meticulous and costly process, but one that has long been the industry standard for its precision and speed. However, we are constantly innovating, and that's where the laser cutting machine steps in. By opting to use it in place of the blanking punch machine, we can slash production costs. Why? Because it eliminates the need for that specific blanking mode. The laser cutter is a marvel of technology, capable of slicing through metal to create any shape of backing plate imaginable, all without the hassle and expense of mold development. But as with any technology, there's a trade-off. While the laser cutting machine offers unmatched flexibility in design, its production capacity is somewhat limited when compared to the brute force of punching machines dedicated to blanking. So, depending on your priorities, whether it's cost savings, design freedom, or high volume production, we have the expertise and equipment to tailor the perfect solution for you. In conclusion, our commitment to manufacturing top-notch brake pads, backing plates is unwavering. We blend time-tested techniques with cutting-edge innovation to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Whether you're an automotive giant or a niche manufacturer, we've got you covered. Come and experience the future of brake component manufacturing with us.